Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome. In operation research, there is a beautiful domain called game theory. Today, we are going to discuss about game theory and how we'll solve the dominance rule of game theory. In the previous segment, we saw about saddle point method. So today, we are going to understand a little bit deep about dominance rule and how to solve the problems using dominance rule. So as a first mantra, I need you to just note down this particular statements. In dominance rule, the dominating row is not eliminated. When I say about this row and column and all, you may not understand right now, but just note this down. As we progress, I'll tell you in detail as what is all this about. So the dominating row is not eliminated and dominating column is eliminated. Now, there are rows and there are columns. So the mantra is the dominating row is not eliminated, but dominating column is eliminated. Now I'll make you understand what did I mean by dominating rows and dominating columns. So this is the payoff matrix that we have seen. Now we know that a payoff matrix is always written in advantage of the player A. This is the 4 different strategies of player A and these are the 5 different strategies of player B. Now, what we are going to do in dominance rule first of all is, we are trying to find out the sum of each rows. So when you add these values, 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, you get the value as 16. So I need you to find out the sum of the other respective rows also. 16, 29, 37. When you add this, you get 29. When you add this, you get 37. And 4 plus 2 plus 8 plus 4 plus 3 will give me 21. So these are the respective sum. The first step is to find out the sum. And the next point is that you find out which is the highest. In the sum, which is the highest. So 37 is the highest and which is the lowest? 16 is the lowest. Now you match them. Word each from 16 is the first row and 37 is the third row. So you have to match them one by one and we have to find out whether there is row-wise dominance. Now when you look at this, 2 and 6, 6 is dominating. 4 and 7, 7 is dominating. 3 and 9, 9 is dominating. 3 and 8, 8 is dominating. 4 and 7, 7 is dominating. So in this case, what we do is, what did we learn in the previous row? In the previous slide, we understand that dominating row is not eliminated. So what we'll do now is, here the dominating row is this. So this is not eliminated. So which is eliminated here? We eliminate the not dominating or the submissive row. So that row is eliminated now. Now we are going for 37 and the next highest. 37 and 21. Now the tug of war is between these two. Match them one by one. 6 and 4, 6 is dominating. 7 and 2, 7 is dominating. 8 and 9, 9. 4 and 8, 8. And 3 and 7, 7 is dominating. So in this case, what we do? What we do is, at what we have seen here, the dominating row is not eliminated. So let us eliminate the submissive row. Okay, the same thing, right? We are eliminating this one. That is gone. Now we have only these two here. So look at here, 37, 29. We'll just try to match them. 5 and 6, 6. 7, 6 and 7, 7 is dominating. 3 and 9, yes, 9 is dominating. 7, 8, 8 is dominating. But 8 and 7, no. Here 8 is dominating. So you cannot take these two. So the row-wise dominance is over right now. So what is left is A2 and A3 and the balance. So with this, we have to make a new tabular column. So this is the new tabular column. I have just taken those two rows which are not eliminated and which was remaining. So we have to first of all again find the sum of A2 and A3. So sum of A2 is again 29. So here it was 29 and 37. So we'll just write the sum as 29 and 37. But that will not work out right now because row-wise dominance is almost over. So we have to go for column-wise dominance. Now the column-wise, 5 plus 6 is 11. Now we'll go for 6 plus 11, 13. And 9 plus 11, 13. Sorry, 12. 12. 7 and 8, 15. And here also 8 and 7, 15. So it was not necessary to find this sum here, but this sum is more important. Now here, what is the mantra? The mantra here is dominating column is eliminated. Now we are supposed to find out the dominating column. For that, we can choose the least as well as any of the highest. So I'll go with this. So when you compare these two, 5 and 7, 7 is dominating, 6 and 8, 8 is dominating. Now here what happens? The dominating column is eliminated. So I eliminate this. So this is gone. So next is, we'll go for 15 and 11. Now when it goes for 15 and 11, 5 and 8, 8 is dominating, 6 and 7, 7 is dominating. So that is also cancelled. So dominating column is eliminated. So eliminating this one also. Now we have 3 more. So we'll take 13 and 11. So here 5 and 6, 6 is dominating, 6 and 7, 7 is dominating. Deleting this also. Now we have only these two here, 11 and 12, we'll compare them. 5 and 3, 5 is dominating, 6 and 9, no, 9 is dominating. Here 5 is dominating, here 9 is dominating. So we cannot proceed further. So let's take it to the next table. So 5, 3, 6, 9. Let's go for the column, the row-wise dominance. So 5 and 3, the sum is 8. 6 and 9, the sum is 15. Now let us see what happens. Now anyway, it is not required to find the sum altogether. Here, let us see what happens. 5 and 6, 6 is dominating. 3 and 9, 9 is dominating. So in this case, what happened? What was the mantra? Mantra was written here. Dominating row is not eliminated. So which is the dominating row here? The dominating row is this. So this row is eliminated. So 6 and 9 is remaining right now. Now let us go to the last one, 6 and 9. So what happens in the case of 6 and 9? We'll see for column wise. In column wise, what happens? The mantra is the dominating column is eliminated. So which is the dominating column? 9 is the dominating column which is eliminated. So finally, the value of the game is 6. The value of the game is 6. So you can write it as value of the game is equal to 6. And we are also supposed to find out at which point it is getting 6. The 6 is coming at this one, A3, B1. So A3, B1 is the saddle point. A3, B1 is the saddle point. So with this, we come to the conclusion the value of the game is 6 and A3, B1 is the saddle point. So this is how you do the dominance rule. I hope you understood as how we proceed with the dominance rule. Let us do more and more problems with this particular dominance rule and equip yourself to do this. It's a very important problem, but a simple logic, and with this simple logic, you will be able to do more problems. So thank you very much.